Saints fans, welcome. You want to know, what is the Saints playoff scenario? Saints home field advantage, what needs to happen in week 17 for the New Orleans Saints to have home field advantage, and boy, do they need it with their running back shortage. Hello once again, I'm Ryan for One Pump Sports, part of Silly Reviews. We're going to keep this under 60 seconds. Here's all you need to know. 3 things need to happen for the Saints to get home field advantage. 1, Saints need to beat the Panthers. 2, Bears need to beat the Packers. 3, Seahawks beat the 49ers. There is only one bye week in the new playoff system that goes to the number 1 seed, and this is what needs to happen for the New Orleans Saints. Good luck. Again, I'm Ryan for One Pump Sports, delivering the fastest sports news and information.